In this video, you will learn how to track total followers using our KPI dashboard. While this dashboard it's not the best when it comes to tracking the total followers and the followers growth over time, but if you need it to compare yearly data and you want to track all your data in one simple template, this is the one that you would like to use. So with that, today I'll use a simple formula to help you keep track of your total followers over time. So first thing first, you'll need to set up your dashboard. Go to the Setup tab, fill in the category dropdown as the platform names. And for the KPI name, you can key in total followers for one of the KPI. And make sure you do keep track of some of the data here so that it's easier to see when we are editing the templates later. And if you're not, there are some sample data that's included with the template, so you can use that as well. Just make sure to change the category here and you're good to go. Now let's go to monthly dashboard, and you also need to select the category, which is maybe we'll select Facebook here and the total followers in the dashboard. So chances are you're going to see this view where it's going to calculate the total of these three numbers, which isn't what we want, because we want the total followers to show that it's 139 for this month. It's the accumulated total followers, not the sum of these three. So to do that, you're going to use a formula, and I already make the formula available for you. So you just have to come to this blog post. You can read it later, but you can just go to step 5, copy this formula, go back and come to the column J and look for the rows where you select the total followers. For this cell, remove this formula and paste the formula that you just copied and hit enter. This will give you the latest total followers count. But one thing that we are missing here is the last month. How do we get that? So to make it very simple, we will have two tabs. So right now, let's right click on the monthly tab and hit duplicate. And you are going to name this as current month and this as last month. So for current month, you can select 2024 February, and for last month, you can select January. So you can see that we have this month 122 and last month is none. Then we can go to the current dashboard, and for this last month number, remove the formula and click enter. Then go back, click on this cell, which is this month. Make sure that it's the same platform and the metric. So you're going to select that and hit enter. So now this will grab you last month total followers. And with that, the growth rate will be calculated correctly and the difference will be calculated correctly. So you just need to change the formula for these two and everything should work perfectly. And make sure you only change for total followers, because for other metrics, we want to calculate the sum of it and not the latest number. And if you want to do for the annual dashboard, you can get the formula here. So just copy this, go back, change this formula, and you'll get 393, which is the latest one. For the last year, you want to do the same. So just duplicate and do current year. And this is last year. So last year, choose 2023 and current year 2024. For the last year, change the formula to get from this year from the last year tab. So now for the current year, you will get last year number as well. So as you go into new year, just make sure to change the year drop down from here. For example, if you move into 2025, change to 2025, and for the last year, change to 2024. That would work, and you don't have to change the formula again. And yeah, so that's how I would approach it. And feel free to let me know if you have further questions. And if you need this blog post, I'll put it in the description below, so you can feel free to grab it. That's all. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.